Good morning, class 10. Welcome all of you in this method spread. Chapter is surface area and volume. Different types of problems are in this chapter. I have explained 13.1. How will you find the surface area of a single solid, three-dimensional solids using the formula? And also I have explained how will you find total surface area of a single solid or combination of solids. Today we are going to learn conversion of solids from one shape to another shape. If we have any metallic sphere and if you melt and you can reshape the shape what you desire, so how will you find the unknown quantities? So these things you have to learn in this exercise. I explain the technique through the questions because in theory you cannot learn properly. So you see the question number 1. A solid metallic sphere whose radius is 4.20 and it is melted and reshaped into a cylinder. A metallic sphere, radius is 4.2 cm, melted and reshaped into a cylinder. So when we change a solid into another solid, the volume will be same. And dimensions, radius, or you can say diameter, or you can say height, that will be changed. So the question is, metallic sphere, radius 4.2 cm, melted and reshaped into a cylinder, so the radius is 6 cm. So what is the height of this cylinder? This is the question. So, as I have told you, the volume of a sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. This is the important part of this question, volume of cylinder. Because we are changing sphere into cylinder. Now you put the formula of sphere and volume of cylinder, 4 by 3 pi r cube, and this will be pi r square. Here there should be no confusion of r, because this r is the radius of a sphere, this r is the radius of cylinder. So to remove the confusion, you can write like this, r1 and r2. So this is r2 and this is r1. This is r1. R1 is the radius of sphere. Now you have to simplify. Pi will be cancelled by cross multiplying. वैल्यू हम बाद में भी पुट कर सकते हैं. पाई आर स्क्वायर है. सो क्रॉस करेंगे इनटू, तो ये हो जाएगा पाई कैंसिल, आर स्क्वायर इंटू एच इंटू 3, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 3 into r2 square into h is equal to 4 r1 cube. So h is equal to क्या है 4 r1 cube upon 3 r2 square. Now you put the values. 4 and r1 is given 4.2, 4 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 upon 3 into R2 square है. So R2 is given 6 into 6. Now you have to simplify. So you can simplify 13, 3, 1.4. This will be 0.7 and this will be 0.7. Now you multiply 4 into 1.4 into 0.7 into 0.7. 44 and 96, 9.6, and this will be 0.4 now. You multiply, you will get the result. 9 6 are 54, 5, 9 9 are 81, and 5, 86. 4 6 are 24, 2, 4 9 are 36, and 2, 38. 4, 6, 4, 10, carry 1, 8, 16, and 17, carry 1, 3 and 1, 4. So, this will be the height point will be here. One place and two place. 4.7 we can write. So this is the height across. This is the solution. So what did you learn? You learn when a solid of a same pencil is melted and reshaped into other shape, the volume will be equal. The volume of a sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. Now you will write these formulas, putting the values, and you can simplify, you will get the answer. So this is the solution of question number 1. Now I would like to try to explain more question. Now you see question number 2. Metallic sphere of 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. Yes, these three metallic sphere is melted and reshaped into a single sphere. So what is the radius of this sphere? This is the question. So what is the radius of this sphere? So इसको मान लेते हैं R1, R2, and this is R3 radii of these three metallic sphere, and this is suppose radius is capital R. So as I have told you, if a shape is here same, but number of spheres is 3. So volume of 3 spheres will be volume of single sphere. And you should also try to learn the technique to solve. So 3 sphere 4 by 3 pi R1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi R2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi R3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Okay? Now here you will see that technique in this particular question. Although if you find the volume of one sphere and second and third, you find the sum and that will be equal to this. But here you see, you take 4 by 3 pi common, left side. So this will be R1 cube, this will be R2 cube, and this will be R3 cube. This is the technique, and 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Pi cancel, 4 by 3 cancel, So this is R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube is equal to capital R. Now you put the value 6 cube, 8 cube and 10 cube is equal to capital R cube. Capital, this will be 36, no, 216, 864, 512, this will be 1000, this is diameter or radius? Radius. And here will be R cube. So R cube is equal to कितना आ गया 6, 2, 8, 1, 1, 2, 10, 15, 17. This is the R cube. And if you find the factorization, so this will be like this. 1, 7, 2, 8, 2, 8 is 16, 2, 6 is 12, 2, 4 is 2, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 6, 2. Here you will see, you will put the zeros. 54, 2, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. So this will be, here is cube. So R is equal to cube root of 1728. So R cube is equal to 1, 2 and 1, 2, 2 to the 4, 3 to the 12. 12 per cube. However, you can see R is equal to 12. So this is the radius of this sphere. So in this question, what we learned? We learned that the sum of the volume of these three spheres should be equal to the volume of this big sphere. Now you write the formulas, and this is the technique to solve in a very easy method, easy way. 4 by 3 taking common, 4 by 3 pi common, 4 by 3 pi will be cancelled. Now putting the value, simplifying, and you will get the result. So this is the conversion of solid from one set to another. And now I would like to explain at least one question more, and then you will try to solve. I will only explain. Now you see number 3. A 20-meter deep well, this well is just like the shape of cylinder. Deep, depth, this is the height. The height is 20 meters. Diameter 7 cm, 7 meters, sorry. Y is equal to 7 by 2 meters. And the earth digging out is a spindly spread to form a platform. ये जो अर्थ है सॉइल, इसको निकाल के इसको हम बना दिए हैं एक रेक्टेंगुलर शेप में, एक प्लेटफॉर्म बना दिए हैं. तो इसका जो डायमेंशन है 20 मीटर L and breadth is equal to 14 meters. So what is the height of platform? This is the question. तो इसमें क्या करेंगे आप? First you find the volume of earth dug out. The volume of earth dug out from the well. So that formula will be used, pi r square h. If question arises, why? Because well is in shape of cylinder. And that volume will be here. The volume of this platform, the volume of earth, this soil is spread here. So volume of platform, volume of platform. So this means pi r square h is equal to L into D into H. this h is the height of this. So h निकालेंगे, I r square h upon l into b. So you put the value of radius of this valve, height, depth. Depth is height. Because when a body is above you, that you can say the height. And if any object is below your surface, below the surface, that can be called depth. But understood that is h. तो इस तरह से इस क्वेश्चन को बनाएंगे. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.